Hello everyone, this is Rahim.
And this is Ayaz. We are from CEP Solution.
Today we are here to say how homemade eco-friendly Holi colors are being prepared at our household.
Holi is a festival of colors. What are you planning for this Holi? Chemical colors or eco-friendly?
Okay, before going into the process of making homemade eco-friendly colors, let's know about these chemical colors.
From the past decades and years, knowingly or unknowingly, we are using chemical colors. With these chemical colors, we are facing so many health problems. For example, eye infection, skin allergy, etc.
Let's know about these chemical colors. Which chemicals are being added in these chemical colors and how hazardous these to human health.
Most common colors in Holi are red, blue and green. Red is made by mercury sulfate. This chemical can lead to skin cancer. When it comes to the green is made by copper sulfate. This can lead to skin allergy, eye allergies, puffiness and temporary blindness. Finally, blue is made by Prussian blue. It leads to dermatitis. It's very hazardous.
Mostly dry colors are made with gulal contents. These gulal contents make the powder into shiny. These gulal contents powder are directly affected to metabolism system that leads to damage of eye.
To celebrate this Holi into healthy Holi, you have to follow these tips. Check the color smell. If it is made by engine oil or any other chemicals, avoid them.
Read the instructions on the color powder packet. Just avoid the colors which are specified like industrial use.
If you notice any glass powder in a Holi colors and purchase eco-friendly natural colors.
Or make natural Holi colors in your households.
Let's look into the process how these homemade Holi colors are prepared. Let's start. To prepare homemade colors, we need to take a rice flour, a fussy licensed food grade color, water and a cup. I am preparing 4 colors. That's the thing. I taken 4 cups. We have to add water first. 1/4 of water. 1/4 of water in each cup. And add the colors. This food grade color. Approximately 1 tablespoon. I am using a bamboo sticks to stir properly. Then you can know which color is you are going to make. Now take the rice flour. By adding, you have to stir them. Until it becomes thick in color, like this. We have to add this flour until it becomes a paste. Now it's become a paste. Now it's blended properly. Now it's blended properly. Now we have to take into the polythene cover. We have to dry this paste properly. into the polythene cover. Regularly, we don't suggest using covers and polythene bags, plastic and things, but this process we need it. We have to take this entire thing paste. And just avoid this cover like this, flip like this. And press gently to spread this color. Leave it for one day. It's your wish at room temperature or at sunlight. I'm leaving this at room temperature. And after that, we have to grind this paste by using blender and grinder. It will become a powder. In our previous video, we made already a green color, pink color, and orange color. This is made by spinach. The green color is made by spinach. You can follow our YouTube channel. In that we explain how to make spinach powder. This is a beetroot. It's a pink color. You can play in Holi also. The green color is made by spinach. You can use as a green color in Holi. And orange color from the carrot. Now it's completely dry. You can see here. Crispy, it's too crispy. With the help of grinder, we will grind this to make powder. You can see here the completely powder, no? The Holi color powder, blue. Repeat the process for the You can see here the completely powder, no? The Holi color powder, blue. Repeat the process for the other colors also. Now it's completely ready, the food grade Holi color. Even though if we have these colors, if we eat some food grade color, it doesn't impact on our body because it's a food grade colors. and we used a rice flour. Now it's completely ready. You can celebrate your Holi with these colors if you made it at your own. Celebrate this Holi with the natural and eco homemade colors.
Please avoid chemical colors from this Holi. Stay safe, stay healthy from Team CPS. Happy Holi!